Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. lxml is a powerful and efficient library for processing XML and HTML in Python. It provides a Pythonic API for working with XML and HTML documents, making it a popular choice for tasks such as web scraping, data extraction, and XML manipulation. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to install lxml on your system. Before installing lxml, make sure you have Python and the pip package manager installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org and pip is usually included with Python installations. Open a terminal or command prompt on your system. The steps for this may vary depending on your operating system. Run the following command to install lxml using pip. This command will download and install the latest version of the lxml library along with any required dependencies. To verify that lxml has been successfully installed, you can create a simple Python script or use an interactive Python shell. Open a text editor and create a file named verify_lxml_installation.py. Add the following code. Save the file and run it using the following command. If lxml is installed correctly, you should see the version number printed to the console. Now that lxml is installed, let's demonstrate a simple example of using lxml to parse an XML document. Create a file named example_lxml_usage.py and add the following code. Save the file and run it using the following command. This script demonstrates basic XML parsing using lxml and prints the values of two elements in the XML document. Congratulations! You have successfully installed lxml and used it to parse an XML document in Python. You can now explore more advanced features and functionalities offered by the lxml library for working with XML and HTML data. ChatGPT